about changes here, because tomorrow begins a little bit of a change that winds us into the weekend where you were talking earlier about a chance of rain for us.
You know, and that's the funny thing. We had a big system that was set up in the Pacific Ocean, and that low pressure system's moving very smoothly and very slowly across the northeast, or to the northeast is what I'm trying to say here. So because that low pressure system is moving so slow, we have a ridge of high pressure that's dominate. It will now dominate through the rest of this week and into the weekend. It's when that low pressure system swings through into the middle of next week. That's when our next chance for some rainfall will be expected, and a little bit of a cool down, because let's just face it, we were warmer than average today. 77 degrees was that high temperature. Average high for this time of the year should be 68 degrees, but of course we were well above that. I do want to talk about the current temperatures, because again, temperatures are starting to cool off now that the sun has set. We're at 68 degrees in Dallas, 62 Fort Worth, 51 Denton, and good evening to you, McKinney. You're at 56 degrees. Dew point temperature is low right now, but as we continue through the rest of the night, it will be increasing and temperatures will be decreasing. We're talking about 57 degrees when you wake up tomorrow morning in Fort Worth, 59 in Dallas, and in the lower to mid 50s across the area. Basically, the key point here is, yes, it'll be nice and mild in the morning, but we're going to get a surge of moisture from the Gulf, and this is going to impact us due to foggy conditions, because if you look to our dew point futurecast, we're in the 60s here across North Texas. When we see the dew point temperature, which measures the moisture content in the atmosphere, match the actual temperature, that leads to the formation of fog sometimes. And that's what we have the probability as we move into the day tomorrow. Anywhere from around 5 a.m. to even 9 a.m. we could see reduced visibility. So just a heads up, you might need to leave a little bit early as you head out the door for work or taking the kids to school tomorrow because of the foggy conditions. And don't forget, use low beam headlights. As we continue into the latter part of the morning, I'm estimating around 10 a.m. we'll start to see that fog lift, and we're just left with a lot of sunshine. 81 degrees is your forecast high tomorrow. Mostly sunny skies will be expected, and a little bit of a breeze. Winds coming from the south around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Moving into Friday, 82 and 84. Into Saturday, it'll be a bright, sunny, and warmer than average weekend. Again, we should be in the upper 60s for this time of the year, but we are well into the 80s. Now, I am tracking some gusty winds as we do continue through the weekend. Winds will come from the south, and they'll gust anywhere from 20 to 25 miles per hour. This will start tomorrow afternoon and stay in the forecast pretty much over the next 72 hours. So it's just something to keep in mind if you have any outdoor festivities planned as we continue through the end of the week and of course into the weekend. It'll remain dry though. Next shot of rainfall is back into the forecast. I'm looking at the time period right now, Tuesday evening, but forecast models have been very wonky. So it's something we're ironing out as of right now. Just know the potential for rain is back in the forecast as we head into the middle of next week, and that will continue into the next weekend. Climate Prediction Center is on board with this as well, looking at above normal precipitation as we continue through the end of November. That doesn't mean every day we'll see rainfall. It just means we have the potential there, especially as we continue through the end of November. Can you believe it? It's just right around the corner. 81 degrees is your forecast high tomorrow, and don't forget there might be some fog in the morning, so you might need to leave a little bit early. We'll be right back.